Hey, it's clay time. Welcome back to another episode of Clay with Ben. This time, we're gonna make an eyeball. For the eyeball, I broke out this new color of blue. It's called Tranquility. I'm gonna knead it in my hands, condition it, as they say, soften it up, soften this white up. It's slightly off-white, mixed with some translucent color, so it kind of glows. I'm gonna roll it into a ball, nice sphere, give it a little bit of a poke with my thumb, flatten it out just slightly, make a indentation, a round indentation in the center. Get it ready for the iris, which will be next. What color? I'm going to put some blue down first. That'll just be like the ring around the iris. Roll a ball, give it a little bit of a pinch with my thumb, press it down. Nice and round. Poke the edges down a little bit. Tap, tap, tap. Alright, roll another ball. It's going to be a little bit smaller than the last one, so that I can still see the blue ring. It's going to sit right inside the blue. Too big, make it a little smaller. That's alright. Okay, poke those edges down a little bit. Still see the blue ring? Sounds good. Okay, poke another slight hole, not a hole, but an indentation. With the end of a pencil, you can roll it around, make a nice little crater. Also using the end of the pencil to poke those edges down. Alright, what am I going to do? Oh, let's see. I'm not going to put some orange there. I'm going to make the pupil. I'm going to roll a tiny little ball in the palm of my hand, press it down kind of flat, and poke it down to the middle of the iris. Use the pencil to poke those edges down. So I'm not really smearing, but I'm sort of smearing, tapping it down. I'm going to make a slight light blob. So it looks like it's shiny. A little round dot of white. There it is. Looks kind of cool. I think I'm going to go ahead and roll some veins, some orange veins, go around the edge of the eyeball. Later I do cover it all up with the eyelid, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm carefully rolling out a super thin little worm of orange, and I'm pressing it on, and then I pinch it off. Press it on, kind of wiggle it around, and pinch off the extra, rather than making little pieces and trying to stick those on. It's delicate work. Use those fingers. Pressing down a little bit. Okay. What's next? I'm going to make some eyelids. And roll two pieces about the same in my hands. Make kind of a bean shape. Curve it so it's a little bit like a crescent moon, a croissant moon. Give it a little bit of the edge of the eyelid. Flatten it out. Pinch it out. Does it fit? Yeah, looks like it fits. Press it on. Cool. Alright, I'm going to do the top eyelid. Roll it. Fingers. Pinch it. Slightly curved. Thin it out. Make sure it's still curved. Smooth that edge. I like to have a kind of a crisp, flat edge. Okay. Fit it on, press it on. Top eyelid usually overlaps just a little bit over the bottom eyelid. I'm going to use the end of the pencil and roll it along the edge of the eyelid to flatten that edge out again. Because oftentimes when you're pressing things on, they get rounded. Cool. Plop it on into the oven on a piece of foil, 275 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes, maybe 20. It's a little thicker than the other ones. I glued a magnet on the back with some hot glue. There it is. Oh yeah. Alright, see you next time.